Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a messy bun. So let's just go and get started. So I'm just going to brush my hair without any tangles and knots. And I'm going to just do a simple side parting. So now I'm going to just take a little hair. Split it and take it over the other one, and now I'm going to pick up hair with both sections and take this one over the other one, and again I'm going to pick up hair with both sections and just take this one over the other one, and I'm going to do the same. I'm going to pick up hair with both sections and taking this one over the other one. So I'm just going to do it again. And I'm going to pick up hair. So I picked up hair with both of these sections and I'm going to twist it. And I'm going to twist it. So now I'm just gonna simply twist them over each other. And at the end I'm just gonna simply secure the end with the hair elastic. And now I'm gonna just take this and twist it into a bun. And I'm gonna do really messy buns, so it does not have to be really neat. I'm gonna pull it from all the sides and secure this bun with bobby pins. You can use how many bobby pins you want depending upon your thickness and length of your hair. So I'm gonna be using like 5 to 6 bobby pins so that it doesn't fall when I like dance or like run or do anything like that. So there is a rubber band showing, so I'm gonna just like hide that. So guys, that's it for today's hairstyle. I hope you like this bun. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more bun related hairstyles. So see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.